Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Virtual's protocol, the Society of AI Agents on Base and Solana. This is the chart. Guys, this is your last chance to join our Telegram group for free because in just a few days, it's going paid. But if you join now, you will lock in lifetime access for free. This is one of the fastest growing crypto communities on YouTube where you can scan the market daily. There are thousands and thousands of altcoins out there. So being able to see what altcoins other top traders are watching every single day is very, very important. So hit the link in the description below, join now, and become part of our community. We are looking at Virtual over USDT 4-hour chart on MEXC. The chart is pretty straightforward. We have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, price action bounce here again multiple times, another bounce here, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. Another bounce here. And also, we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection here, one after the other, another rejection here. Again, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. Another rejection here. Remember, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. This is a falling wedge pattern, and therefore, it has a very high chance of breaking to the upside. 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So what I am doing with this is I am waiting to see if the price action is going to break above this resistance trend line, because a breakout above this resistance could potentially be the beginning of a change of trend. As you see, the price action is currently testing this resistance, and therefore we might see a breakout sooner or later if we don't see a rejection here. If we see a rejection, I expect to see more downside. I expect the price action to continue moving inside the pattern, to continue downtrending, and we might see a breakout later in the coming days or weeks. But watch for a breakout above this resistance. So you can buy the breakout if it happens now, scale in on the retest if it occurs, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. This is a pretty safe way of trading this. An even safer way to trade this, guys, would be to wait for the price action to break above this falling wedge and potentially break above this first horizontal resistance that I have here on the chart. That's located at 94 cents. So you can buy the breakout above the horizontal resistance, scale in on the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation move to the upside. Make sure that you always set up a stop loss, guys. For example, if you buy the breakout, make sure that you set up a stop loss somewhere inside the pattern, just in case the price action decides after the breakout to pull back inside the pattern. So you can take a small loss and move on to the next trade. Taking a small loss, it's not going to harm you, guys. You gotta learn how to take a small loss. And again, if you wait for the price action to break above this first horizontal level that's located at 94 cents, you can set up a stop loss right below it, somewhere around this area. This is the same idea. If the price action breaks above this horizontal line and then decides to pull back, you can take a small loss again, okay? Always set up a stop loss. Manage your risk properly. After the breakout, I have a few targets here for you that you should be paying attention because traders are going to take profits around these levels. The first target after the breakout is located at $1.43. If you buy the breakout above this falling wedge, and if the breakout happens in the coming hours or tomorrow or in 2 days, something like that, the measured move to this first target is a 72% move, approximately. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $1.85, and that's a measured move of 123% after the break above this yellow resistance. If you want to play this in a more safe manner, you want to buy the breakout above this first horizontal line that I have here on the chart, of course, these measured moves are going to become a little bit smaller. For example, the measured move from this breakout of this horizontal line that's located at 94 cents to this first target, that's a 51% move. And then to this last target, that's a 96, 97% move approximately. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Virtual's protocol is currently ranked 112. And the market cap is currently sitting at 482 million. Therefore, there is a lot of potential upside here. If you want to find the full setup and open it up on your own computer, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is your last chance to join the Telegram group for free before it becomes a paid group. And you can secure your free lifetime access if you join now. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.